What's going on there, YouTube? Thank you for coming back to my channel, Project Flip. I just got a package in the mail today, and I'm very excited to put it in. So let's go ahead and take a look here and see what I got. Let me go ahead and turn this around here for you. Bam! Look at that. A box. And some more boxes with some boxes. Alright. So you can tell that's obviously a 12-inch ported box with the 12-inch Planet Audio subwoofer. Now it says it's 1800 watts, but we'll really see about that. Came with a nice 8-gauge wire kit and a Boss 1500 watt amp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and at least hook up the sub to the box, get it all wired in and tapped into the box, get it seated, and then I'm gonna take you guys out to the car and I'm gonna figure out the layout, and we're gonna get this puppy wired in. Stay tuned. Alright, so now the box is put together. Now we're at the car. I kind of have it just sitting in the trunk right now. We're gonna start taking the stereo out, and then we're gonna start laying in the wiring and figure out how I want to do this, because I don't know, but we'll get there. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, quick little update here. So we got that all put back in. Okay, we're gonna take a look down here. So you can see I kind of started running the wires under, tucked them under, pulled off the side cover here that goes right there, and then right now I kind of just laid the wire, started pulling up the panel here because I'm gonna lay it under the carpet, and then eventually I'm gonna pull these panels off to the side and run it out the back that way. But it is a nightmare when I just changed those back speakers. But for now I might just tuck it and just make it look like it's out of the way, and then it's going to go to the box back there. Haven't mounted anything yet, but just kind of giving you an update. Let's walk around to the front. Little ghetto rig. Don't do this. Don't tuck it through this panel. But I kind of found a little opening hole here, boop, so it's out of the way. Another little opening hole here. I do have the fuse sitting on the seat right there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. There you go, you see the fuse? There you go. But this is tucked down out of the way. It's hot out here. It's like 90 degrees already. I was trying to see if I had a positive in here leading to the alternator for the box, but I don't. The alternator positive is actually leading to the battery, so I'm gonna jump it. Whatever. We're gonna get some power out of it. So just gonna take a little breather, and then we'll jump right back into it. Whoo, boy, it is hot out here, I'm telling you that, because it's hot. But check this out, man. Check this out. No wires. Got it all tucked in. Got it all tucked in. Oh, okay, so in case you guys haven't seen it, I'm sorry if I haven't showed you. I got the box put together, got the sub put in there. That's what we're gonna be doing. So what I gotta do now, I got it all tucked in. They're all coming out right here. I gotta get this hooked up now and get this mounted to the box, and then I gotta still mount the fuse. Had to come inside with a little bit of purple Kool-Aid and a vape break. So Alright, well, I'm back, and I did enjoy my Kool-Aid. Thank you very much for asking. Alright, I know you didn't ask, but anyways, everything is installed. Everything is good. We got power to the amp, and the only thing left to do is just pretty much test it. So right now I'm gonna run a bass tester here. If you hear the beeping, it's because I got my door open in the car and the car is on. But I'm gonna run a bass tester in here so we can let you hear it firsthand. Boy, that has some thump. That has some thump. Go ahead and turn this off. I don't want to draw too much attention, but that, woo, okay. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in and sticking through it till the end here with me. I really do appreciate it. I do appreciate all my subscribers here. And if you're new to the channel, if you like the video, go ahead and do me a favor, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more updates. This channel is based mainly on my Ford Focus. It's a 2001 Ford Focus ZX3 2.0 liter Z-Tech motor. I also do vape tutorials and reviews and little oddballs and ends here, you know, here and there on the channel as well, but it's mainly on my car. So stay tuned for the next video. I will have some more coming out here for you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.